Chetna Makan. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making a wholesome, delicious and very healthy chicken chickpea bake. This recipe is from my book Healthy Indian, and it's got a bit of chicken, a chapter of chicken and a chapter of fish, and rest of the book is vegetarian. So it's quite a nice book if you're looking for healthy delicious meals. And it's just, I love this recipe because it's simple. Like all my recipes, is just so simple and doable at home and great for midweek. That was my timer that cut me out because I've got something in the oven I need to get out. So right, let's get cooking. And before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get on with the recipe now. So this is my book, Chetna's Healthy Indian. It came out a few years ago, and as the name suggests, it's full of delicious healthy recipes that, you know, you wouldn't say that they are healthy because they look so amazingly gorgeous and delicious. And today I am making this stunning spicy chicken and chickpea curry bake. Beautiful. So I have got here 8 chicken thighs. They are on the bone and no skin. I'm just going to get that in a bowl. And to this I'm going to add some spices. So I have got here 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'm going to just sprinkle it all over. And I'm going to add juice of 1 lime. You could use a lemon if that's what you have at home. Now all that's left to do is mix it up well. Make sure all the pieces are coated, and this is now going to sit in the fridge for 15 minutes while I prep the onions. So I am going to thinly slice 2 onions. Now I usually use medium, but right now I've got large onions, so that's what I'm going to use. It's fine. I'm just going to thinly slice it. Nice hot pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower or rapeseed oil, 1 cinnamon stick, a couple of bay leaves, 3-4 cardamom pods, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just let everything sizzle. Then goes in a couple of chilies, some curry leaves, then the onions, and I'm going to cook this for good 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden. While the onions are cooking, I'm just going to roughly finely chop 4 garlic cloves. It's been 10 minutes and it's not like a crazy dark brown color I usually get my onions to. It's a really nice light golden color. Now I add in all the garlic and just give it a minute to cook. Just going to move it to the side so that I can get the chicken pieces here. And I'm just going to cook this on really high heat for 5 minutes just to kind of seal the chicken. Put the onions on top. Just gonna drizzle the marinade on top. Look at that. Can you see the lovely crispness? And that's how all the slices are looking. Beautiful. So just a good turn. Then I'm going to add the spices. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of garam masala. And a teaspoon of ground cumin. You can add some more chili right now if you like. And 200 ml of boiling water. Also, gonna add in a tin of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes. If you're using that, use 4 fresh tomatoes. And a tin of drained chickpeas. And then all that's left to do is mix it up well. And once it starts to bubble, I'm going to put a lid and cook this in the oven at 180°C for 30 minutes with the lid on. So my oven is 160°C because it's fan, but it's 180°C normal oven, and I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes. So my timer of 30 minutes has just gone off, and I am going to get this out first. Take the lid off. Be careful to use. Ah, beautiful. Now I'm going to continue to cook this, but I'm going to leave the lid out and continue to cook this for another 20 minutes. Okay, the timer has gone off. Woo! Wow. Stunning, absolutely stunning. It smells incredible as well. Please always check that the chicken is cooked before you serve it. And here is the chicken and chickpea bake. Gorgeous. Seriously, the house smells incredible. Look at that piping hot. You can see the smoke coming out. Oh, I would serve this with a pile of hot steaming rice. You can enjoy it with some lacha paratha. Oh my god, that would be amazing. But I don't think I have time for lacha paratha today. So I'm going to serve it with rice. But if you want, you can have a really nice piece of sourdough with tons of butter on top and serve it with that. Time to eat. Wow. That is Beautiful. When you see a dish like that, you think, oh my God, it's going to take forever to make. But it did take a bit of time because it's chicken thighs. If you made this with chopped up chicken thighs without bone and without skin, obviously it will not have so much flavor, but it will still be a delicious dish and it will take much less time to cook. If you don't want to use the oven, that's fine. You can cook this as it is on the hob for exactly same amount of time, 45 to 50 minutes, until the chicken is cooked. I really hope you're going to give this a go. Written recipe can be found, what the hell, in my book. And I will see you back next week with another new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now. This is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely just right for this weather. I need a spoon.